all muddy, and it's even on the headliner. Hello friends, hello. I just want to kind of show you a little bit about the condition of this vehicle. I have done portions of it already, such as this right here. I did the door panel and I tested out a product on there. I will describe that to you or show that to you here in just a minute. Got the door jamb cleaned up. Cleaned up this. But let me show you. Look at this. Now this is my dad's vehicle. It's all muddy and it's even on the headliner. We have had brutal cold weather and it's been muddy as all get out the last week. I hope that comes out. Let me take you to the other side here. And when I last cleaned this vehicle, I cleaned this seat. It's on video. I'm going to have to tell this man to quit eating cheeseburgers in his vehicle. Or I'm going to be cleaning up cheeseburger grease every time he comes to get a detail. And it's even here. Look at that. But we're going to get it. We're going to get it cleaned out. So, I'm about to move over here and get this done. It's going to be a little bit of a workout, but we're going to get it. We're going to get through it. So, oh, and looky there. So, it's nobody's fault. It's just the way it goes. This is a family member's vehicle, so we're gonna make it work. There you go. There's some more of the dirt. I will get all this vacuumed up. I am really concerned about that spot and some of these because they look more like grease. And I'm concerned about that. I have never been able to make grease come off of anything. But this is because of the wheelchair. And then during their road trip, they had a nasty flat tire. They were on the side of the road and everything. So a lot of this got pretty dirty back here. So I'm going to work on getting this back up to par also. So it's going to be a little bit of a day, but that's okay. So I told you I was using a new product. This is Simonized Sure Shine. I found it at a new store we have here called Ollie's. I'm loving the new job, but it's not loving me. I can tell you that. I am struggling with the damage that trucking did to my body, I should say. So, let me grab my towel and I will use this. It leaves kind of a matte finish. Something else that I spoke about on my live is a lot of dressings and protectants are oil based. And there is a brand on the shelves at literally everywhere that detailers refuse to use because it was supposedly tear things up because of the oils and all of that. And I'm thinking, well, that's how I feel about 90% of the protectants and dressings out there. They're oily. You put that on here when it's oily, and that's a dangerous combination because this thing is already going to be slick once you clean it. When it's dirty, your hands are going to stick to it. There's the train again. Thing hasn't been out of here all day. But once it's clean, your hands can slip off of here very easily. So then you add on that oily substance called dressing. And so anyway, this is water-based. And I like it. It leaves a matte finish. But that's me. I don't care for that. I just don't like that greasiness. If I just went through the trouble to clean this, why do I want to make it dirty by putting something greasy on here that's going to make it dirty again? Yeah, I can see where detailers are like, but that's the benefit. No, it's not the benefit. It's dangerous. It's just the way it is. But I was a professional truck driver for 25 years. I think about things a little differently than a lot of people. So hang on, let me get the towel for this and we're going to use it. Anyway, it's a protectant. That train is on my last nerve. It protects against UV damage. Oh, and then McConnell's got their guys in the air. Fights cracking and fading, and vinyl, rubber, and leather is what you can use it on. It wipes off nice. I like it. Smells good. Smells like cherry. Oh, no, I don't want that towel. Somebody mentioned that I don't do door jams. Let me just say, if you do not see me do door jams in a video, it's probably because there was 4 hours worth of recording, and that was the least of my worries. When you have to condense that down to 10 minutes, that's not the most important. Now, if you want me to do a video on door jams, just say so. I'll do a video on door jams. That don't bother me. But just because you didn't see something done in a video, whether it be mine or anybody's, doesn't mean that they didn't do it. You know, seatbelts, why haven't you called people out for that? We don't hardly ever see those in videos. I don't put them in mine anymore unless there's an extenuating circumstance. Then I do. Now they are surface scuffs, so 99% sure they'll come out. But I don't know. You know, I've been proven wrong before. Will it do it? I'm pretty sure it will, but we'll see. Did pretty darn good, I'd say. I think. Oh my God, it's coming off. It's washing or scrubbing off. Oh! Okay, here's another one. Alrighty, friends, this vehicle is done. It was a maintenance. Took me 2.25 hours. This seat should be dry. You can see we got it out. Got all of the 2 little cheeseburger grease spots out. And we used that protectant, the Sure Shine by Simonize. It left a nice little matte finish. Got this all cleaned out. Floor looks good. This cleaned up really nice. I got all the ickiness off right in here. This one still has a few wet spots. I'm gonna check on it again and see, but they look like they're trying to do something crazy, so I may just go ahead and get the extractor after all of this, but I'm not sure yet. It is still wet. There's one spot over there that I'm concerned about. This one I'm concerned about. This one and this one. Now let's check the back of the seat. It still looks good, and this one still looks pretty good. So I don't know what these are doing. Maybe we do need the extractor, but that's okay. It's still early enough. I can come back and take care of it. Got the floors done, and now that this has been in the sun drying, looks much better. All I did was treat it as a hard surface. Now this one left a mark. You can see it right there. I was afraid that it would. This is not a carpet. It's just kind of got like a felt covering on it. So over on the passenger side, same thing. We used the protectant on it, gave it kind of a matte finish. I like that. And again, this side, the back seat. As far as the exterior, I did not do a rinseless wash. I don't know if you can see. There is a lot of road grime and salt still on this car. I would prefer to have it power washed. If they would like for me to take it to the car wash, I will, and just power wash that off. But at this point, I'm not going to use a rinseless wash on that. So there you have it, everybody. Thank you very much for joining me and hanging out on my channel for a minute. I do appreciate it. And we'll see if we can't get them to go run through their tunnel car wash, and then I can top it off from there. So anyway, I hope you all have a good one. See you on the next video.